In this version of Why Plastic Parts Fail, we're going to take a look at a black POMC copolymer acetal. The application is for a machined cap. After machining, the customer noticed on the surface very distinct chatter marks on the surface of the part. No matter what they tried, they had trouble getting rid of this. Initially, the customer complained that the acetal had holes or porosity in the material, which were uncovered during machining. Actually, improper machining techniques is often likely the cause of such a phenomenon. A common problem seen during the machining of thermoplastics is something known as material pullout, and it is most commonly experienced in darker plastics as illustrated here with black acetal. Material pullout can be caused by a variety of improper machining techniques and is not related to material quality. When presented with returned material for analysis, Boedeker Plastics properly machined a strip next to the existing defect. The result was a clean, smooth, machined finish. We then provided the customer with our recommended machining guidelines to remedy their problem. First, we recommended tool geometries, which are neutral to slightly positive. Highly positive tool geometries can dig at the material, creating these small voids or holes in the material surface. Also, improper fixturing or clamping of the part can result in tool vibration that also can mimic this defect. Finally, we recommended proper feeds and speeds specific for the black acetal. Please feel free to add your comments below, like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.